In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Joomla on Hostinger using the latest Hostinger hPanel interface. Let's get started. After logging into your Hostinger account, you'll arrive at the hPanel dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Websites. Next, click the Add Website button. Since we're installing Joomla instead of WordPress, choose Custom PHP or HTML website. This option allows you to install applications such as Joomla using Hostinger's auto-installer. Now enter the domain or subdomain where you'd like to install Joomla. For this tutorial, I'm using joomla.techfin2k.com. Select the suggested domain when it appears. After selecting the domain, Hostinger displays a message. This domain is registered at another provider. You'll have to verify you own it when you connect it to your site. Because my domain's DNS is managed by Cloudflare rather than Hostinger. If your domain is already using Hostinger DNS, you may not see this message. Click Next to continue. Hostinger will now initialize the website. Once the initialization is complete, Hostinger provides two options to connect the domain. Connect using Hostinger name servers, or connect using DNS records. Since I manage my DNS through Cloudflare, I'll choose the DNS records option. I've already updated these DNS records before recording this video, so I'm not repeating that process here. After updating the records, simply click I've updated DNS records. Hostinger will then verify the DNS configuration and display a confirmation message that your domain is successfully connected. If your domain and DNS are already managed by Hostinger, you may not see this step at all and can continue directly to your website dashboard. Now, inside the website dashboard, expand the website section from the left menu and open Auto Installer. Hostinger provides installers for several popular web applications, like WooCommerce, Drupal, OpenCart, PHPBB, and many others. For this tutorial, I'll select Joomla. Now enter your Joomla website details. Website title, administrator email, administrator username, administrator password. Hostinger automatically selects the latest recommended Joomla version. For application updates, I'll leave the recommended update option enabled. After reviewing the settings, click Install. Hostinger will automatically create the database, configure Joomla, and complete the installation. After a short wait, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that Joomla has been installed successfully. Now let's verify that everything is working correctly. Return to all websites and open the Joomla website. As you can see, the default Joomla Cassiopeia template loads successfully. You can also log in using the administrator credentials you created during installation to confirm that the website is ready for use. At this point, Joomla has been installed successfully on Hostinger and is ready for customization. That's it. Joomla is now installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, you can use my Hostinger link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching.